it's about my bank account. Wait, does that say I have $0? Ah! My life is ruined! I can't even go back into my house! Oh, poor me. All I have is my little suitcase. And the clothes on my back. Wish I had more. What's going on over there? That lady's got a whole fire going. Nice. Mind if I squeeze in here? Hello? I'm just gonna borrow this, okay? Hey! This is mine! Get your own! Oh, you wanna be mean about it? Oh-ho! Game on! Ugh! Wait a minute. Maybe I can use this. Looks like plans for a castle. Nice, right? I think we can figure something out. Let's get building, shall we? Having any luck over here, Cheryl? Mind if I take a look at it? This may help. We just have to make a good foundation. And that should give us a good starting point. We'll just make an educated guess. And I think that should do for now. You know what all this means, right? We need money to make it happen. Say no more. You know what to do. Yep. I'll wait. Where is this stuff? Oh! The lumber has arrived! Thanks, guys! Here's the updated invoice, ladies. Oh, hold on. Let's see here. I got nothing. Don't hate me. Oh, well, I guess I can cover it. Here. Whoa. You take diamonds, right? How many are on that thing? I accept. See ya. Now we've gotta get to work. Ready to do a little lifting? I think we've got plenty to work with. Never used one of these before. Can't hear you over all the sanding action! Oh yeah! I think this is actually working. Time to level up. Perfection! Okay, boards up. Anybody home? Oh, howdy there! Check it out! This ain't half bad. But wait, we still have to paint. One step ahead of ya. Isn't this shade of pink fabulous? It just makes me so happy. I'm more of a green gal myself. Nice. And now we have the best of both worlds. Ta-da! It's spectacular! Hello from my new window! Mwah! Wow, this place is really coming together. Grace is still sleeping? Okay, Grace. Rise and shine. Huh? Oh, way! Gee, so hostile. I need this bubble wrap. Thanks. Ah! Ah! Cheryl, not so fast! Whoa! Thanks a bunch. What do you need all that for? No way! I think we should use green. No, pink! Green is way better! No, pink! This is it! Huh? No, pink! Green! Just listen to me, will ya? Or… oh yeah! I think we can compromise on this one. Now stay on your side, okay? A nice long straight line. Ouch! Is somebody watching us? Just enjoy the show, I guess. Woohoo! Just call me the Big Bad Green Machine! Uh-huh. But I like to think of myself as a pretty pink princess. Isn't it just a treat for the eyes? You can say that again. Well, that was fun. And now for the best part. Yep. Ready for this? Hope this works out. Now lay it down. Ready, set, stomp! You can watch all you want. Woohoo! This is so fun! Whew, and quite tiring. What's it look like under there? Oh, wow! Oh, this is seriously awesome! It looks like a fancy painting or something. Almost like it has a mind of its own. A true masterpiece. Brilliant! I'm not letting you win this round. We'll just see about that. Good luck. Oh, I don't need luck here. Huh? Don't do it! Please don't put it down! Wait! No! Huh? Delivery! I wasn't expecting a package, were you? This thing's huge, isn't it? I guess. I mean, look! I can fit inside! Whoa! What else is in there, Grace? Foam mat coming in hot! And what do I do with this thing? What are you doing now? Gah! Grace? You okay in there? Can you hear me? Wait! Did you fall asleep in the box? She looks so peaceful. Ah! I'm awake now! Time to get to work on this thing. Just have to make a few marks here. Now it's really coming together. Any guess as to what it is? That's better. Now's where the real magic begins. Last piece is officially in. Check out all these gorgeous curves. It really is a magnificent chair. Just top it off with a soft blanket. And position it a bit. And you've got yourself a cozy chair! Wow! I want a chair like that for my side! Actually, I have something better in mind. Just need to rearrange a couple of things. Okay, a lot of things. Time to staple, people! Ha! These things sure are powerful. And they'll hold everything together. I just have a few more of them to go. And done! Just have to top it off with Mr. Blanket here. Ooh, looking better already. Oops, forgot your other fin, buddy. And your eyes. Isn't this the cutest thing you've ever seen? And he's all mine to snuggle with. What's going on over there? Way to go, Cheryl! Good night! Oh, I'll definitely have sweet dreams on this thing. How long have I been asleep? I fell asleep in my makeup again? Gross! Huh? What a peculiar pillow. And it has someone's face on it. Looks like it's Grace to the rescue! If you've ever ruined a pillow like this, there's no need to throw it away. Some paint and strategically placed tape can go a long way. And I think the more colors, the better. There! Now there's only one thing left to do. Remove all that tape. Which is oddly satisfying, I think. All done! There! Good as new! And just in time for my nap. Ah, that's nice. So comfy. Hey, what's with all the flying hearts? Gotcha! Cool. Now what can I do with this thing? Of course! I know just what to do. But I'll need just a few more of these. And a decent amount of string. There, now they're all linked together. Aren't these just the cutest decorations? I just love being crafty. Yay! They just make me smile. Whoa! Check out all of this junk! Or as we call it, new stuff for a mini house! There's no limit on what you can design if you simply think outside the box. Especially a cardboard one. You can create any style you'd like. The limits are truly endless. Phew! I can't believe we live here! Bravo to us! Wish you could create your own tiny house? What would be the first thing you'd put in it? Let us know and don't forget to share this video with your creative friends. And remember to subscribe for more helpful DIY content. Ugh, I've read this already! Hey, what's that? Whoa! That's just what I need! This is my lucky day! I can definitely use this. But I'll need my cell phone. It's time to get to work. I'll stand the box on its side, and I'll place a magnifying lens on it. Now I'll punch holes around the lens. Once that's done, I'll remove the cardboard. I'll put glue around the edge of the hole, and I'll stick the lens to it. It's the perfect fit! I think it's ready! Whoa! No more boring newspapers. Not when I have this. I'll put my phone in the box, and I'll put the lid back on. My very own movie theater. The opera was wonderful, Mommy. Oh wow, look at that! Mommy, I want it! The hobo? Oh, you mean the projector. Can I help you? Here you go, honey. It's not for sale. No. Excuse me? Do you know who we are? Come on, sweetie. There's nothing we can't buy. Now listen here. My little girl wants that projector. You're ruining the show! Hey, move it! Go on, scram! Oh no, you didn't! Wait until the girls at the country club hear this. You're starting to annoy me! Huh? What are you doing? Mommy? What's happening? Well, that was unexpected. Cool, a free magic show! Where are we? And what are we wearing? Let's party, girls! Selfie! Hey! Open up! Did you hear something? Who can that be? Hi. What's going on in here? You pesky kids and your modern music? Oh! I'm trying to sleep! What? Who ordered the granny? Granny? How dare you! I'll show you! Can a granny do this? What a rush! That felt good. Okay, that seemed uncalled for. I should have turned it down. Did you see that? So now what do we do? Look at it! We can't use this. That was one angry granny. Can anyone beatbox? This party's over. Let's go, ladies. But… this is the worst. At least I still have the snacks and drinks. And they're all mine. This gives me an idea. I need a long cardboard tube. This is a perfect size. Next I need my phone. I'll draw a line at the bottom of it. That's all I need. Now I'll cut it out. It definitely needs a coat of paint. I love this purple. I'll cover the tube with it. Once it's dry, I need 2 drink cups. I've cut holes in them. I'll place them at either end of the tube. Just like this. It's ready! It's my own speaker system! Let's try it out! I'll place my phone in the slot. And then play my music. Now let's dance! This is more like it! Great party, Grace! I think everything is ready. Oh, hey Mindy! You're finally here! You actually live here? Oh well. Hi. Take a seat. Make yourself comfortable. I hope you like chips. I love them. Okay. Thanks. I am hungry. Huh. This isn't working. I just got a manicure. I can't reach. Come on, I want those chips. This is so frustrating. Okay, this time. Ugh! My nail! My beautiful nail! This is all your fault! Whoa! Not so fast! Just relax. I think I can fix this. And all I need are these coasters. Well, pieces of cardboard. Check this out. I'll place them on the table. I'll need my glue gun for this. I'll run the glue along the edge of the cardboard. I only need to do one side. Then I'll stick it to the other piece. I'll give it a press to make sure it's secure. I have another piece that I cut a circle out of. I'll do the same with this. I'll stick it right here. Next I'll stick a circular piece of cardboard on a square. I'll put it in the middle. I'll do the same on the other side. Now I'll wrap the cardboard around the circles. I'll use this strip to hold it in place. That seems secure. I've punched a hole in either end. And I'll push a skewer through it. That's perfect! This can go into my box. I made a hole in one of the sides to hold it. I'll make sure it spins. Now I can complete the box. I'll put a cardboard disc on top. I'll make 2 more boxes. But I'm not done. I'll cut a piece of cardboard and apply glue to it. This is gonna be my base. I'll hold it until it's stuck. Phew! I'll do the same on the other side. Then insert a long piece of cardboard at the bottom. Now I can attach my boxes. I'll arrange them along the top. It's looking good! We've got a chip dispenser! Oh, that looks good. I'll go for this one. It's not working. Are you kidding me? Let me show you. Turn the disc, and the chips will drop into the cup. Wow, that is so cool! And I didn't break a nail. My favorite. I've worked up an appetite. I think I deserve a treat. They're so good. You know, this isn't so bad. Nah, it's awesome. This drawing is looking good. What else should I do? I'll play with my toys. Rawr! Rawr! Take that! I love dinosaurs. They're so cool. They'd make the best pet. Anyway, where was I? Oh yeah! Aw, look at Grace. She has such an active imagination. I wish there was something I could do for her. Let me think. Oh, she'd love that. But it's too expensive. I can't afford that. What am I going to do? Wait a second. Maybe I can make something instead. All I need is some cardboard. Luckily, we've got lots of that. I'll start with this big box. I'll grab my scissors. I'll make a diagonal cut across this flap. I'll go down to the corner. Then I'll do the same on the opposite side. Then it's time for the trusty glue gun. I'll apply glue along the edge. But I don't want to make a mess. Now I can stick these flaps together. I'll make a hole right here. I cut a second box to look like a dinosaur's head. This can go on top. I have to paint it. Green is the perfect color for a dinosaur. And spray paint really speeds things up. There's still more to be done. I'll run glue along the head. I'll stick this spiky piece of cardboard to it. That looks good. I'll do the same at the back of the box. I'll work from the top all the way to the bottom. This is where the tail will go. Now for the finishing touches. Try it on, sweetie. Oh my gosh! I'm a dinosaur! Rawr! Ooh, get back! I'm gonna get you! It's terrifying. I really could use a day at the spa. But what can you do? And look at this jewelry. I remember when I used to have diamonds and gold bracelets. Things really have changed. I still think they look pretty, Mom. You always look so glamorous. That's so kind, dear. I better go. Bye, Grace. Have a great day, Mom! This is my chance. I can finally raid Mom's jewelry box. Whoa! Look at this! I'm gonna look like a model. What else has she got? Check out these earrings! And these rings! Wow! Home at last. I feel so grown up. Mom's home already? Uh-oh. This isn't good. Hi, Grace. I'm back. I can't wait to relax. What am I gonna do? This is a mess! I'm gonna be in so much trouble! Come on! This isn't working! Let's slow things down. Perfect. Whoa! Hey, this is pretty cool. I didn't think that would work. Mom? Yoo-hoo! Phew. She doesn't realize I'm here. Hang on. I can use this cardboard. It's just what I need. I'll place my hand on it. Then I'll draw around it. I want the outline of my hand. This is gonna be great. Mom will be so impressed. Okay, that's the first part done. Now I'll cut it out. Then I'll apply glue to it. I'll go over the palm of the hand. I want to make sure I have enough. That looks about right. Then I'll stick another hand shape to it. Then it's time to paint it. This orange is so bright. I love it. I'll leave it to dry. I'll make a base for it from a circular piece of cardboard. And this is the finished product. Put it there. Oh, I forgot about Mom. I can't hang about all day. I still have things to do. Gotta go. Excuse me. Coming through. Oops, I almost forgot. All this rushing around is hungry work. I need a snack. And I know exactly what to have. I'm sure Mom won't mind. Gimme! You're on a diet anyway, Mom. Phew. I'm exhausted. Let's get back to normal. Hey, Mom! What's going on here? Look at my necklaces! How could you? Don't panic. It's all under control. What's that? Is that for my jewelry? That's a good idea. I'll put my rings on here. It's great. It'll keep everything neat and tidy. I can't believe you made this. You're so talented. Yeah, I know. I mean, it's really handy. Get it? You deserve a treat. Huh? How did that happen? That's so strange. Thanks, Mom. I love chocolate. It's so tasty. Here you go. Thanks, honey. Give me a hug. Cardboard is a pretty versatile material. With some imagination, you can create so much. What was your favorite craft? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.